Hi, welcome to Easy Indian Cooking. Today we're going to show how to easily make Palak Paneer. So the first step is to blanch the Palak. So this is just freshly cleaned green Palak. So we're just going to blanch this in boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to drain the water. So now it's been blanching, and we're going to take it out and drain the water. Pour cold water on it to lower the temperature. So we're going to fry the paneer in oil in this pan, and then we're going to keep it aside. On medium to high heat. And just mix it around a little bit. So we want to go until this is just starting to brown on all sides. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. So now in the same pan, we're going to add some oil and some cumin seeds to cook it. Add some onion, green chili, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, cloves, and cardamom. So we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. And then we're going to reduce the heat and mix everything together. And then we're going to add some tomato paste. And this will also help add moisture so it doesn't burn. So I turned the heat up a little bit in order to cook this, and while that's cooking, we can blend the blanched Palak. Whenever the oil is separated from the tomato and spices, you're ready to add the palak. By the way, if you're having trouble getting the palak out of the blender, you can add water to it and then pour it out. So now we're cooking the palak on medium heat. So once you've been cooking this and the oil starts to separate, it's time to add the paneer. And then we mix that through, or fold it in. So now the palak paneer is ready. The only remaining thing is if you want to add some cream to it, you can. So for today, I'll be adding some ground cashews, and I'll show you. So here we've blended the cashews into a cream, and then we're gonna add it. So we can quickly make restaurant quality palak paneer with very few ingredients, and by replacing the cream with cashews, we were able to make the final product lighter and healthier. Yeah. So here I'm eating the palak paneer with some rice. It's really good. Hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it, and happy cooking. Bye.